क्या यार, एक साल हो गया and you still can't say anything beyond konnichiwa? Wait, let me guess your story. You downloaded an app, practiced on it for 4 days, got a notification, ignored it, uninstalled the app. And then you told yourself, ये तो practice है. Bro, seriously? We really need to talk. What's up guys, I'm Prerna Sensei, and if you've ever watched anime and thought, yaar, I actually want to be able to understand this without subtitles, you are exactly at the right place. Today we are breaking down 5 mistakes that are literally keeping you stuck at beginner Japanese forever. And I'm not just listing them, I'm actually going to tell you how to fix each one of them. Trust me, इनमें से 3 mistakes तो तुमने जरूर किए होंगे. Mistake 1. Over planning. Okay, so imagine this, it's a Sunday morning, you wake up, you're highly motivated and you tell yourself, आज से Japanese start करता हूँ. You open YouTube, you open ChatGPT and you search best ways to learn Japanese in 2026. Now 4 hours later, you have a perfect color-coded map on Notion. You download a Green Owl app, you save 12 videos in your watch later, and you've written day 1, Japanese journey begins, in a brand new notebook. And then, पढ़ा कुछ? नहीं. फायदा भी हुआ कुछ? भी नहीं. At the end, you are just over planning it. And that is the number one reason why you never actually start. You are so busy finding the perfect method that you never use any method. The truth, the best resource is the one that you actually open. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop building the perfect system. Even 10 minutes of actual study today beats a beautiful color-coded map that you may never execute. Mistake 2. Not being consistent. And this one is painfully relatable. Day 1. You're on fire. Hiragana. Done. Notes बनाए, YouTube देखा, vocab revise किया. Day 2, you're still going strong. Day 3, थोड़ा tired हूँ but you still studied. Day 4, कल कर लूँगा यार. And Day 7, हिरागाना क्या होता था? Sounds familiar? Here's the thing that nobody tells you. Language learning isn't about intensity. It's about consistency. Your brain builds language like building muscle. You don't go to the gym for 5 hours and expect a six-pack, right? You go every day, even for 20 minutes. That's how it works. 15 minutes every day beats 3 hours one day. Every single time. And I know what you're thinking. But Prerna Sensei, I have college, assignments, a life. Hi, calm down. I'm not asking for 3 hours. I'm asking for 15 minutes. That's one YouTube short. That's the time you spend deciding what to watch on Netflix. Now, the specific third mistake, which most beginners do, is separating vocab and kanji. Either they completely ignore it, कि बाद में देख लूँगा, अभी vocab सीख लेता हूँ, or they go full warrior mode, grinding 50-100 kanjis a day, completely out of context. और बाद में सब भूल गए. Here's what actually works. Kanji and vocabulary are best friends. Don't separate them. Don't memorize this as just read. Learn it inside a real word. Like, Mokuyobi means Thursday. Now in one go, you've learned the kanji, you've learned the vocab, and you've learned the reading. That's 3 things for a price of 1. Context is everything. Your brain doesn't remember random symbols. It remembers meanings. It remembers situations. So don't separate kanji and vocab. Take them together. Your next mistake is to over-rely on textbooks and flashcards. Okay, comment down below if you've finished Genki Chapter 1. Now, comment down below if you've finished Genki Chapter 1 4 times. Yeah. We've all been there. Look, textbooks are great. Flashcards are useful. I'm not saying throw them out, but if textbooks and flashcards are your only tools, then you will be stuck hard. Because real Japanese, it sounds nothing like a textbook. Native Japanese speakers talk fast, drop particles, use slangs, blend words together, and your textbook doesn't prepare you for that. Immersion does. So what does immersion look like practically? Watch anime, but actively. Don't just zone out. When you hear a word you've studied, pause, repeat it, note it down. Listen to Japanese music. Try to catch even 1 or 2 words. That's a win. Watch Japanese YouTubers. Follow Japanese creators on Instagram. Surround yourself with the language even outside of study time. Textbook teaches you rules. Immersion teaches you the feels, and you need both of them. And finally, the big one. The one that ends most people's Japanese journey before it even really begins. At one point, and this happens to everyone, you're going to hit a wall. The kanji will feel impossible. The grammar makes no sense. You'll read a sentence and you'll think to yourself, ये तो कोई alien language है. And that voice in your head starts, maybe Japanese is just not for me. I want you to hear this clearly. That feeling, it means you're progressing. Japanese is not just a sprint. It's a long, beautiful marathon. And along the way, The views are incredible. The first anime episode you understand without subtitles. The first time a Japanese person compliments your pronunciation. These moments are worth every hard day. So don't quit before the great blessing. Those moments are worth every hard day. So don't quit before the real magic happens. Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Okay, Prerna Sensei, this is all great, but how do I fix all of this? I got you. This is exactly why I want to talk about Yoisho Academy. Yoisho is built for exactly the kind of learning we talk today. The one who really wants to learn Japanese but keeps getting stuck. Here's how we make it different. We provide you a structured path. No more spending 4 hours planning and 0 hours studying. Yoisho tells you exactly what to do, step by step. No confusion, no overwhelm. We provide you live sessions and a community. Because staying consistent alone is actually really hard. When you have a class to show up to, a sensei waiting for you, and a group of people who are on the same journey as you actually show up every day. We teach you vocab and kanji together. Real context, real meaning, with real sentences. Not just random symbol memorization. Just like how we talked about. We help you in building immersion. Yoisho just doesn't hand you a textbook and say, all the best. The whole approach is designed around how you actually absorb a language. Through listening, speaking, and using it. And the best part, we have free JLPT classes. So you can experience it yourself before committing to anything. No pressure, no confusion. Just come, see if it's the right fit for you, and then decide. The link for the free JLPT classes is right there in the description below. Click it. It takes 2 minutes. It might be just the thing that actually sets your Japanese journey right now. And if this video helped you, drop a comment right now. Tell me, which mistake did you make? No judgment here, I promise. And if you know someone who keeps saying, "Main Japanese seekhunga," share this video with them. Your Japanese journey doesn't start when you find the perfect app. It doesn't start when your schedule clears up. It doesn't start when you feel ready. It starts today. It starts right now with whatever you have. Gambatte, you've got this.